So hello guys, welcome to my UPSC Civil Aspirant blog. So here firstly I am introducing myself. I am a UPSC aspirant and in 2023 I am going to give the first attempt. This is the first session which is called the introduction session. In this session, I will discuss about the strategy and approaches of History Tamil Nadu Board. Here, first step is syllabus. What is syllabus and why we have to approach the syllabus and from where and how much we have to study the syllabus. Second point is previous year question paper, which we know about the trend and languages. Third point is revision. मैं आपको दोनों स्टेप्स कवर कराऊंगी बट आपको रिवीजन खुद से करना होगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. हिस्ट्री तमिलनाडु बोर्ड ऑफ क्लास 11th. Here I am divided the syllabus in 10 units. In first unit we will discuss about the three topics. First is Indian geographical features and their impact on history. In this topic we will cover Himalayan mountains, Gangetic plains, Southern Peninsula and India's unity in diversity. Now in second topic, prehistoric India and Harappan culture. Prehistoric India, in this we will also differentiate between the prehistoric and historic. In Harappan culture we will also discuss about the origin and evolution of Harappan culture, socio-economic condition of Harappan culture, cultural life of Harappan culture and the decline of Harappan culture. Now we came to the third topic, the Vedic culture. In this topic we will know the original home of the Aryans, Vedic literature and their importance, Rig Vedic age and its culture, later Vedic age and its culture. In second unit we will covering three topics, in which the first topic is rise of Magad. In this topic we will acquire knowledge about the achievement of Bimbisar and Ajatasattu, the Persian invasion and the effect of Alexander's invasion. After this we will came to the second or third topic, the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. In this topic we will acquire knowledge about the causes for the rise of Buddhism and Jainism, early life of Mahavira and his teaching, Buddha and his teachings, spread of Buddhism and the decline of Buddhism in India. After completing these two units we came to the third unit. In third unit we will covering two topics, pre-Mauryan Empire and post-Mauryan Empire. In pre-Mauryan Empire we will talk about the Chandragupta Maurya and his achievements. And in post-Mauryan Empire we will talk about the Sanghas rule, Satavahana rule, Gandhar art and its line features. Now moving toward the fourth unit. In fourth unit the topic is Sangam age. In Sangam age we will talk about the Sangam literatures and other sources for the Sangam period, political history of Sangam period and economic condition of the Sangam age. Now in fifth unit the topics are India of Gupta period and the Harshvardhana. In Gupta period you will acquire knowledge about the Samudragupta's achievements, achievement of Chandragupta II, importance of Fane's visit to India, Gupta administration, society and economy, architecture and scientific development during Gupta's period. Now in Harshvardhana period we will discuss the early life life of Harsa's contribution to Buddhism, and the Nalanda University. Now moving toward our sixth unit. In sixth unit, we will covering two topics: South Indian Empire and spread of Indian culture in other Asian countries. Now in seventh unit, first topic is early medieval India. In early medieval India, we will acquire knowledge about the brief history of Rajput kingdoms, Mahmud of Ghazni and his invasion, Mahmud of Ghori's invasion, and the causes for the failure of Hindu state. In second topic, Delhi Sultanate. In this topic, we will discuss the political history of Delhi Sultanate, slave dynasty, Khalji's dynasty, Tughlaq, Firoz Tughlaq and his administration. Now in third topic, India under Delhi Sultanate. In this, we will discuss about the economic condition and social life under the Delhi Sultanate. After covering these units, we will move to the 8th unit. In 8th unit, we will cover the topic Bhakti movement and Vijayanagar and Bahmani's kingdom. In 9th unit, the topic is Mughal Empire and India under Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire is the biggest empire. After covering these units, we will move to the last units of our syllabus. In 10th unit, we will discuss the rise of Marathas and the coming of Europe. Thank you for watching my blog, UPSC Civil Aspirant blog. If you like it, please comment and share and subscribe it. And please comment if you want the session in Hindi also.